still stuck in the time when we fall in love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a paradise. All the change I've been on you. When I'm time from living so long, where the past remain for two. It's not the everlasting way. I'll still be holding you like this. Almost every dance I full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. I'm not afraid. Turn your back on tomorrow. Cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow. You just gave it away. You think I said that to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned out. I'm wasting my nights. You turn up the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we fall in love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a beautiful trying to go wrong. All the change I'm spending on you. Wherever time, something is so wrong. Where all the plans we made for two. It's not the ever after. I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. Now I'm at a payphone. Wow, grabe! Thank you so much for coming. Nanonood ba kayo ng Ina, kapatid Ana? Wow, maraming salamat. Anong pangalan ko doon? Ayan, thank you so much. Bukas po ng gabi, manood po kayo. Ang gabi ng pagbubunyag ng lihe. Ngayon, matanong ko lang, sino ang mga Chinese dito? Sino mga Chinese dito katulad ko? Ayan, alam niyo ba yung kantang Kanyo? Kung alam niyo, sabayan niyo ako ha. Ang tagal-tagal ko na hindi kinakanta to, wala pa nung PBB ako. Pero dahil kayo yung kasama ko ngayong gabi, kakantuin ko yan, kasama kayo. Sabayan niyo ako ha! Ayan, ito para sa lahat ng magkakaibigan. color ko yun next to pink.
Mga Chinese mahilig talaga sa pula kasi it's for good luck.
Yes, oo naman. And for happy, happy feeling.
Matanong ko lang, do you have a Chinese name?
Yes, I have. Hokkien or Mandarin.
Wow! Hokkien or Mandarin? Hokkien muna! What's your Chinese name in Hokkien?
Chang Tin Tu.
Chang Tin Chu.
Yes.
Wow!
Yes, in Hokkien naman, Tiu Kim Tu.
Tiu Kim Tu.
Yeah.
So, you were able to study Chinese?
Yeah, until third year high school.
Pero medyo complicated ang Chinese, no?
Medyo.
Word.
Marami talaga sobra. Maraming kailangan isulat.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi, Kim. Guys, halika naman, let's have one Chinese New Year, isang malakas na tili para kay Kim Chiu!
For Kim Chiu! Mahina! No?
If you love Kim Chiu, scream! Ayun! Alam mo nga, di ba, we were talking before, I remember the first time we met sa isang bench show backstage.
Ay, oo, dati yun.
Yeah.
Sobrang tagal na.
Baby ka pa noon.
Tingnan mo naman siya, oh.
Look at you now.
Tingnan mo naman sapatos, oh.
Naku!
wow.
Mga pinag-ipunan.
I love your shoes,
Christian
Kim.
Louboutin.
Yes. So Kim, ito tatanungin na rin kita, diretsahan na. Kung linigawan ka,
May ganun talaga?
ni Sian, will it be a yes or no?
Teka lang,
Baka pagpawisan siya bigla
parang
niya.
pagpawisan ako bigla. Secret.
Secret mo na daw.
Secret mo na. Tsaka na yan.
Sa or na lang daw siya, di ba? Yes
Sa
or
or,
no? Sa or.
or.
Pwede.
Pero for now, what are the qualities in Sian that you find admirable sa isang lalaki na if ever will be a possible boyfriend?
Wow, possible boyfriend talaga.
Oh.
Siyempre, qualities niya. Una, gentleman and marespeto, not only to my family, basta sa lahat ng mga taong
Tsaka
nakapaligid.
kailangan loyal!
Tama, loyal po, faithful.
Di ba kailangan loyal?
Dapat isa lang.
Loyalty is a rare commodity.
Tama!
Di ba?
Tama yan.
Tama. Lahat naman ng mga girls, yun yung gusto nila. Tama ba ako?
Yeah, so doon tayo sa
Yes.
loyal.
Yes, yun talaga yung unang-una, loyalty.
Very important. More than
Yes,
anything else.
oo, tama.
Ito na, alam mo, meron tayong next number. Gusto niyo ba makita magkasama sa stage? Si Kim at saka si Sian? Wait, gusto natin makita sila together? Ngayon na? Okay, let's
Kim,
wish
ikaw na
granted.
lang ang magtawag sa kanya.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah.
Please do the honors, Kim.
Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sian Lim.
Palagpan natin, guys. Sian and Kim. Bye, Kim.
Bilis lang pala siya. Yan, isa pang kanta para po sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Music, please. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark.
maraming salamat. Narinig ko yung mga sinabi mo sa akin sa backstage.
Ano yun?
Yung mga sinabi mo tungkol sa akin.
Ano?
Sabi mo. Hindi, ayun. Well, thank you. Maraming salamat. Ang dami palang nanonood ng ina, kapatid, anak dito.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. And tomorrow night, abangan niyo po ang
Bukas
isang malaking lihim na mabubunyag ni Cho Oscar.
Sinong manonood ng ina, kapatid, anak bukas? Mahina. Ulitin ko, sino manonood bukas?
Ayan, thank you. Maraming salamat sa Resorts World. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Happy
Resorts
Chinese
World.
New Year po sa inyong lahat. And thank you sa lahat ng pumunta ngayong gabi. Maraming pong salamat. And thank you for supporting Ina Kapatid Anak. Thank you!
Thank you. Once again, thank you very much, Kim Chu and Sian Lim. Let's give them another big round of applause.